Yo creators, let's talk background music. We've all been there, scrolling through endless tracks, searching for that perfect sound. But it's always the same story, right? Generic beats, overused melodies. Your awesome video deserves better. We need something unique, something that pops. And definitely something copyright-free. Think about it, the right music sets the vibe, it grabs your viewers, makes them hit that subscribe button. But finding that perfect track, it's like finding a unicorn riding a dragon, nearly impossible. Until now. Enter the world of AI music generators, specifically Suno AI. This isn't your grandpa's music library, this is next-level stuff. So, what is Suno AI? It's a revolutionary tool designed to transform the way you create music. Imagine a music producer living inside your computer, ready to compose the perfect track at your command. You tell it what you need, and bam! Custom music appears tailored to your specific requirements. It's like magic, but with algorithms working behind the scenes to bring your musical vision to life. Suno AI uses the power of artificial intelligence to create music that fits your project perfectly. Not just any music though, music tailored to your exact needs. This innovative technology is known as text-to-music AI. You literally type in what you want and Suno AI does the rest. Need something upbeat and funky for a cooking montage? Suno AI has got you covered, or perhaps an epic orchestral score for a dramatic reveal. Suno AI gets it and delivers. This isn't about replacing human musicians, it's about enhancing your creative process. It's about giving creators like you a powerful new tool to elevate your content. A tool to unlock your creativity and push the boundaries of what's possible. A tool to make your videos stand out from the crowd, capturing the attention of your audience like never before. With Suno AI, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and see where the music takes you. Okay, AI music sounds cool, but is it any good? Here's the thing that blew me away. The quality is insane. Seriously, I'm talking professional-grade sounds. You can generate everything from lo-fi hip-hop beats to full orchestral soundtracks. Need some chill-wave vibes for your travel vlog? Suno AI has got you. Want a trap banger for your latest gaming montage? Done. What's even crazier? The music is nuanced. It's got those little details, those subtle variations that make it sound real, like it was crafted by a human ear. Your viewers will never know the difference. Section 4, Copyright Nightmares. Not anymore, let's talk about the elephant in the room, copyright. We've all heard the horror stories. You upload a video with your favorite song, bam! Copyright strike, video taken down, channel demonetized. Suno AI eliminates that fear entirely. All the music is completely royalty-free. You own the rights, use it however you want. No attribution needed, no worrying about getting flagged, just pure creative freedom. This is a game changer for creators. Especially for smaller channels just starting out. You don't need a massive budget to license expensive tracks. Suno AI levels the playing field. Section 5. Suno AI in action, from idea to soundtrack. Alright, enough talk. Let's dive into the magic of Suno AI and see how it transforms your ideas into a full-fledged soundtrack. Let's see this thing in action. Imagine you're working on a project and you need the perfect background music to set the tone. Using Suno AI is stupid simple. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. Step 1, head to the Suno AI website. Simple enough, right? The homepage is clean and straightforward, guiding you to exactly where you need to go. Step 2, type in what you need. Whether it's a genre, mood, or specific instruments, just type it in. The more detailed you are, the better the result. Let's say you're making a tech review. You want something that sounds modern and cutting edge. You could type futuristic electronic music with a driving beat. Step 3, hit generate. It's as easy as clicking a button. Boom! Suno AI gets to work crafting a custom track based on your description. The software uses advanced algorithms to analyze your input and create something unique. You can even get specific. Want more bass? Add heavy bass. The software allows for fine-tuning so you get exactly what you want. Need it to be uplifting? Throw in inspirational. The AI adapts to your needs, making it versatile for any project. Suno AI adapts to your needs. Whether you're creating a podcast, a vlog, or a full-length documentary, the software has you covered. Once you've got your perfect track, download it and drop it into your video editor. That's it. The process is seamless and efficient. Your video is now elevated with unique, royalty-free music. No more worrying about copyright issues or spending hours searching for the right track. Suno AI makes it all possible. Section 6. Pricing that doesn't break the bank. Now, let's talk money. We all know how important it is to manage our finances wisely, especially when it comes to investing in tools and services for our creative projects. Good news, Suno AI won't drain your wallet. It's designed to be accessible and affordable for everyone, from hobbyists to professional creators. They've got a free plan that gives you a taste of the magic. This plan allows you to explore the features and see how it can enhance your projects without any initial investment. Experiment, play around, see what you can create. The free plan is perfect for those who want to dip their toes in the water and get a feel for what Suno AI can do. If you're serious about your content, and I know you are, the paid plans are where it's at. These plans offer more advanced features and greater flexibility, allowing you to take your creations to the next level. They're crazy affordable, especially considering the value you get. Unlimited music, high-quality downloads. It's a no-brainer. The paid plans are designed to give you the best bang for your buck. Think of it as an investment in your channel. The right music can make a huge difference in the quality of your content and the engagement of your audience. Better music equals more engaged viewers. When your audience enjoys the music, they're more likely to stay, watch, and interact with your content. More engaged viewers equal growth. Growth equals success. As your channel grows, so does your potential for success, whether it's through increased views, subscribers, or revenue. Suno AI is your secret weapon. It's the tool that can help you achieve your creative goals without breaking the bank. So why wait? Start exploring today and see the difference it can make. Section 7. Level up your content with Suno AI. Bottom line, Suno AI is a game changer for creators. It's like having a personal composer on speed dial. Unique, royalty-free music is just a few clicks away. No more generic soundtracks, no more copyright worries, just pure creative freedom. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Suno AI, start creating, and take your videos to the next level. And hey, while you're at it, drop a link to your channel in the comments. I want to hear what you create.